Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. In today's session of Inkscape tutorial, we will see how to set a clip for an image. So for this, let's open our Inkscape software. So here is our software. Now I will try to import one image. So here I am opening an image, this square lattice PNG, then open, click on OK. So now this is the image which we have imported. Now we can see that our original lattice is of this much size, but there are so much white spaces around this figure. So if we want to click if we want to crop all these extra white space, then how to do that? So for this I am clicking here on the shape, and here I will try to draw. You can see that this is a square kind of shape, but this is filled with a color. So first thing will be, while setting a clip, first thing will be to remove this fill. So for this fill I can draw this, drag this towards the transparent value, and now you see all these the color is now went off. Now come to here on the arrow. Now we will resize this shape according to our image, like how much white space we want around it, or you can set it like this, then okay. Now our work is to uh, click on both the image at a time. Here I am clicking on the previous one and this one. So click on shift this one and this one at a time, and now you can see that both of these images are selected. Now after this you can do right click, and here is the option of set clip. So set clip. Now you see the extra white space is now is not there, only this only this square lattice, this much portion of that image is here. So this way, then if you want to arrange this, we can lock the file like this, and we can we can decrease the size, and we can take it to one side, like one side of this page. So like this we can do our editing. But this is very helpful when we are having when we are making some figures, but it is having so much white space around it. So this way we can set a clip and arrange our figures accordingly. So this much for today's session. Thank you all, and bye bye.